ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமக. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமக. தசகம் 83, ஸ்லோகா 2. நாராயணோ அகமவதீர்ண இஹாஸ்மி பூமௌ தத்சே கில த்வமபி மாமகலக்ஷணானி உத்ஸ்ருஜ்ய தானி சரணம் व्रजमामिति त्वां दूतो जगाद सकलैः हसितः सभायाम्. Word by word meaning. Iha bhumau, on this earth. Aham Narayanaha, I Narayana. Avatirnaha, Asmi, have descended as an incarnation. Tvam api, you also. Mamaka Lakshanani, my emblems. Conch, discuss, etc. Datse killer, seem to be bearing. Tani, utsrujya, giving them up. Mam sharanam vraja, surrender to me. Iti, thus. Dutaha, the messenger. Sabhayam, in the assembly. Sakalaihi, hasitaha, laughed at by all. Tvam jagada, said to thee. Full meaning, the messenger told thee in the assembly, to the amusement of all present, on behalf of Paundruka. I, Narayana, have taken an incarnation on this earth. It appears that you are also bearing my emblems, such as conch, discus, etc. Giving up all these, come and surrender to me. Om Tat Sat.